Welcome back. Well, crude prices have rallied overnight to around $100 mark. Sonal joins us to tell us more on that. Sonal?
Thanks a lot for that. Well, it's not only crude oil prices, even gas prices, they have been surging, and they surged even more overnight. Well, Saudi Arabia has hinted at a possible output cut, which definitely would mean lower supply, and that is the reason why we saw crude rallying around 2.5% or 4% in overnight session, and it is above that $100 a barrel mark. And it is not only crude oil prices, as I mentioned, even European gas prices, they surged 13% in overnight session, and it is at a record high levels as we speak. After the Gazprom announced that one of their pipelines will go under maintenance for 3 days on 31st of August, we did see a sharp spike in gas prices. Additionally, we got to know that there is a damage to a key pipeline into Europe, so that would mean more supply pressures as far as gas is concerned. Spot LNG prices, they are at record high levels at $57 per MMBTU. So very bullish cues coming in as far as the energy markets are concerned.
Okay, all right. So thanks a lot for that, Sonal. Well, by the way, just, Mangalam, Orient paper, the stock has spiked up. That's been one of the biggest underperformers this year from the paper pack. If I'm not mistaken, that's the only paper stock. Most of these stocks are up 50, 60, 70, 80% or more than 100% as well. But Orient paper is one of the only companies that hasn't really moved. Today, it's up close to around 6.1%. I believe, I was going through the annual report. They have a boiler, and that's likely to be commissioned, either in the second half of the year or maybe in the month of September itself. So there'll be some cost savings on that front. And if that happens, then in fact, maybe the street is saying that the worst could be behind it, just maybe. Pull up, I think a year-to-date chart is what we're looking forward to, and maybe you compare it with another paper name. So just thought we'll highlight that.
All right, so that's about Orient paper. With that, what we do is take a short break. On the other side, trading hour comes up next. That's all the time that we have for you on Chartbusters.